When building a site, it's important to consider how your content will guide visitors through your layout. One key way to keep your visitors engaged is by adding additional resources and links to your site's footer. This provides further action for your visitors once they've scrolled to the end of a page. For example, links to contact information, social accounts, FAQ pages, or career information are all good options here. To edit your footer, select Edit on a page. Then select Edit Footer. Here, you can add content blocks and sections just like other pages on your site. To add your social icons, use a social links block. As a side note, take a look at Unfold if you're interested in our curated social story templates. From here, select the pencil icon to modify your footer format, background, and colors. Use the arrows to rearrange your footer sections. To delete your footer, remove all footer sections using the trash can icon. After saving your changes, your updated footer will appear at the bottom of each page. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.